Hi guys! It's me again. This is Mary Ann Almini. Ayan. Magla-live tayo, Maggagawa tayo ulit tonight ng video. Ayan. Anyway, late na talaga ako natutulog guys. Kung alam niyo lang, mga 1 a.m., minsan 2 a.m. Ayan, late na ako natutulog. So, ngayon, kanina kasi kumain ako ng watermelon. So, sobrang init kanina. Um, Favorite ko talaga siya. After ko kumain nung samyang, ang anghang talaga guys. Pero okay lang. Carry naman, di ba? So ngayon, yung kinakain ko naman is watermelon. Mm. Magta-try tayo guys kumanta ng ano. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say. Hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's use. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, and holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, and holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right. You're brave to say that you get lost in love, but you open your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep our love could be. Tonight we'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I am not true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, and holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, and holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Nagkaroon ako ng chance para kumanta tonight. Um, Ayun, nag mawalan talaga ako ng video para meron ako ngayong magamit pang post. Anyway, thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and like, subscribe my YouTube channel, of course. Naka-pin lang po dun sa profile ko yung aking link ng YouTube channel. Thank you so much, everyone! Ayan, sana ay nagustuhan niyo yung kanta ko kahit wala akong microphone.